Hello everyone. Creating an animated video is very easy using Canva tool. Okay, Canva website. That is very easy. Just follow my steps. Okay, you will be able to create an animated video just in a few steps. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, open Canva website. After opening the Canva website, just come here down and press the video or search here YouTube video. Let's search it YouTube video. Okay, after searching it, now we will open the YouTube video. Design. After opening it, now we will design it. Okay, we will create an animation. Okay, you will be just surprised. Let's check it. Okay, let's wait for loading of it. That has been loaded. Just come here to the right side, left side, and the elements. Okay, after coming to the elements, search here backyard. Okay, search backyard or background or whatever you are searching. Okay, come here to the graphics, see all, and just choose a background. Okay, for example this one. Okay, choose it and right click, set as image background. After setting it as image background, now we would like to have different characters and they will be animating or moving from one place to another place. Okay, so for that, just come here. Okay, just in the elements I will search for example animated boy. Okay, after searching animated boy, come here, see all graphics. After seeing all the graphics, let's check it. Okay, for example this boy is driving bicycle. Okay, so let's press this one, decrease the size, and I will just change the size. Okay, the color. Okay, the color of these. Okay, so to change the color, first of all I will change it green to blue like this. Okay, and this green to this one. Okay, it will looks like this. So after bringing it here, let's make like this and size, and we will have one another buy. Okay, that will be just feeling happy. Okay, to that buy. Okay, like let's how, yeah, this one. Okay, let's bring it here, will be here, happy boy, and let's bring it here, animated tree, will here, here. Okay, now let's add animation to these characters. Okay, I will add animation to this bicycle one. Okay, to this one, this character. So press this element. After pressing it, press the animate button. Okay, after pressing animate button, create an animation. After pressing that, now let's drag it to the left side. Okay, we will move it to the left side. It will be moving like it is moving to the left side animated boy. Okay, like this, until this area. Okay, yeah, it will looks like this. Make it smooth, and after that I will add here one bird animated bird. Okay, so after that, let's yeah, the first one I will just take the first one and bring it here and just add animation to this one also. Okay, press animate and create animation and make it, yeah, bring it here and make it smooth. So both of them are moving. So now let's add another page. After another we can duplicate it. Okay, right click and duplicate it. So after duplicating it, I will delete it. So let's delete this page, and the second one I will first of all remove the animation from this one. Okay, come here to the animate button and delete the path, and also delete that path for this one. After creating the animation, so it was in this place and this was here. Okay, so now I will move add animation to them again. Okay, so just come here, select this element, animate, create animation. From this area I will move it forward here. Okay, and I will add animation to this one. Just I will, it will move. Okay, just gone. Okay, so also I will add one another elements like boy running. Okay, boy running. So after that, see all graphics, and we will just select the animated one. Okay, just come here down and press the animated one. After that, like which one we should select? Yeah, let's take this one, and we will flip it to the left side. Flip, yeah, horizontally like this. Bring it here and add animation. Create animation. Bring it here. I didn't add it, the animation to this. I will just delete the path. Let's bring it, delete path, okay. Bring it here. Let's add animation now. Let's bring so here like this. Animation has not been added. Bring it here, animate it, create animation. Let's drag it. Delete path. Yeah, that is okay. Bring it here like this, okay. Now let's play it, okay. Let's play it. What happened? Okay, just come here to the first one and play it. Let's press the play button. See, it looks like these are moving and this is also moving, okay. It looks like this, okay. So this was, you can create it, okay. You can add other characters and you can also add audio, okay. Like, come here to the upload. If you have any audio, just come here and add your audio so that you will be played with that, okay, like this, okay. Just play it and download it, okay. Press the share button and download it as mp4. Press the download button. So it is how you can create the animated video using Canva tool. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.